Hello and welcome to a Mitsubishi Electric Quick Tips video. Today we're going to talk about a warning message that comes up on a Mitsubishi Electric Servo Amplifier. That message is the E7 warning. The E7 warning, according to the MR-J3B instruction manual, is a display that comes up when there's a controller forced stop warning. Now, in order to clear this warning, it's necessary to power 24 volts to the EMI connector on the front of the motion controller. Let me just show you briefly where that is. Within the QD Common Manual, now this applies for the Q172D CPU or Q173D CPU motion controllers. So here you can see the motion controller CPU module, and this is in the QD Common Manual in section 1.3.1. You can see here there's a forced stop input cable. You're going to need this cable in order to disable this E7 alarm on the amplifier. This cable is a Q170D EMI CBL-M. Now that dash, or that block there in the middle, indicates how long that cable is. This cable needs to be ordered separately and is absolutely necessary in order to disable that E7 warning message. Once 24 volts is supplied, that message will go away and you can continue with your programming. I hope that answers all the questions that were out there. Thanks a lot for listening and have a great day.